Assalamualaikum and welcome back to my channel. So, kita still dalam Hari Raya month. So, I just want to say Selamat Hari Raya, maaf zahir batin to all my followers. Back to the tutorial today. So, hari ni kita buat makeup tutorial menggunakan one brand makeup, which is from Silkygirl. Okay, so this is the look. Ika ada buat tutorial and also a mini review at the end of the video, so check that out. Without further ado, kita akan terus ke tutorial, and at the end of the video Ika ada mini review, so wait for that. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button below, and also don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you always see my notification if I upload any video. And I love you guys. See you in my next video. This is the look. Dia macam cool tone purple. All the product at the previous tutorial, and semua produk yang kita guna dalam makeup kali ni semua daripada Silkygirl kecuali bronzer and highlighter, because I cannot found any bronzer or highlighter from Silkygirl. Silkygirl ni adalah salah satu makeup yang orang kata sangat affordable. Harga dia berpatutan and murah. And ada certain produk best, memang best gila pakai. Ada certain produk so-so, but orang kata quality dia tu setanding dengan harga dia. Kita nak cakap pasal dia punya makeup base, which is I have the foundation and also the concealer. Liquid foundation. So apa yang best pasal liquid foundation ni is finishing dia macam not matte and not glowy. Dia macam tengah-tengah. Dia macam satin finish. I say dia satin finish lah. Dia sangat ringan dekat kulit, I can say that. Lepas tu dia punya coverage is sheer to medium coverage. Dia bukan full coverage. And also dia sangat senang nak blend. Okay, it's really easy to blend. Prevent fine line and keep skin hydrating tu. Keep fine line tu I'm not sure, because whenever I wear this foundation, even though Ika dah hydrate Ika dengan moisturizer atau primer, I still have macam dia tak, dia punya foundation settle dekat my smile line kat sini. Okay. So other than that, I do love that foundation. Dia untuk everyday makeup look is really suitable. Powder ni, press powder dia, it's really small, sangat comel, senang masuk dalam bag. I'm in shade fair. Okay, I'll show you. So ini dalam dia ada mirror, dia ada cermin. This is the thing. This is fun. So okay, pasal press powder ni, bila kau combinekan dengan foundation ni, it make my foundation look so flawless. Memang cantik gila. And also dia ada coverage sebab dia bukan translucent, dia memang press powder yang memang ada coverage lah. Satu, this is so powdery, sangat-sangat powdery, but benda tu tak kisah kot, sebab kita memang tak kisah benda ni powdery because it's not as good on me. Kita suka pakai press powder ni because dia nampak macam smooth gila. Okay, dia ada coverage sikit. Lepas tu dia ada SPF 45, which is good untuk touch up after few hours kita expose at sun. Long wearing, I'm not sure long wearing sebab Ika dah pernah pakai bedak ni for almost 6 hours straight. The powder is macam dia luntur sikit lah, tapi you can touch up here and there. Dia memang matte finish, shine free. Yes, dia hard untuk prevent any shine in my face. Fragrance free tu I'm not sure sebab dia memang tak ada bau wangi apa semua, tapi dia ada sejenis bau yang sangat-sangat macam chemical punya bau. Oh, tak suka. So other than that, I do love this powder also. Benda lain semua okay, cuma I tak suka bau dia je. Bau dia macam sangat chemical. Is the concealer. So this is another orang kata another yes for me because I do love the concealer. Okay, Silkygirl ada keluarkan concealer lagi satu, tapi kan tak beli yang tu because I have so many liquid concealer. I nak try stick concealer because stick concealer ni orang kata lagi senang nak bawa dalam bag, so tak terabur anything. And this is concealer doing a very good job covering under my eyes. Dia punya coverage is a medium coverage, dia bukan full coverage macam Catrice punya concealer, tapi dia easy to blend even though dia stick foundation, stick concealer. Dia tak crease bawah mata. Okay, ada setengah concealer. Okay, dia akan cepat crease kat bawah mata ni kan, macam dia akan masuk dekat fine line tu. But this one dia tak crease, dia creaseless. Okay, I do love this. Okay, that is for the base. So for the base, apa yang kau paling suka? I think all the makeup base for today I do love from Silkygirl. Silkygirl done a very good job on the makeup base. Kita nak cakap pula pasal eye makeup, eye product. So Ika ada a few thing yang Ika beli untuk makeup mata. Jadi Ika nak cakap pasal mascara ni sebab mascara ni is a yes for me. This is one of my favorite mascara daripada the drugstore because this is eye opener waterproof mascara. Dia memang waterproof, dia tak smash bawah mata, dia tak buat mata kita macam panda. Have a very small and precise bristle macam tu, so macam easy gila nak buat, nak apply dekat yang mata dekat bawah tu. And very good, senang nak tanggal. Macam kita basuh dengan air pun dia akan tanggal, bukan yang hitam-hitam macam tu, tapi dia akan tanggal yang macam kita tarik dia satu-satu. So I love it. Eyeshadow itself. Okay, eyeshadow I have a problem. To be honest, dalam banyak-banyak produk Silkygirl ni I don't like the eyeshadow at all. Next is the eyeshadow palette itself. So bila I purchase ni, so excited to use sebab Silkygirl keluarkan palette. Yes, kan? Walaupun palette ni dah lama dah keluar, but I baru je grab. Harga dia 30 something. So this is the palette. Dia this is a truly nude eyeshadow palette in shade Balsam. Share the ingredient and also dia ada cara-cara nak pakai. Good juga, bagus untuk beginner, untuk orang yang baru nak belajar makeup. So let's talk about the formula itself. I'm going to do a swatches first. Daripada sini ke sini. This is the two. Okay, nampak cantik kan? Oh gila. That is one of silver macam tu kan? pink tu pun lawa, and then ada nude champagne gold colour. That's one. Dia macam colour silver tapi lagi gelap. And then dia ada colour, last kali ada deep purple. Bila pakai tangan, very beautiful. Macam korang tengok my swatches tadi, I know it's not a very good swatch. Bila kita swatch, memang cantik. Normally eyeshadow kalau swatch pakai jari memang cantik, memang pigmented, memang pigmented. Tapi whenever you try to apply with a brush, the pigmentation is completely gone with this palette. I think I do love is this one, the blusher. This is a blush hour in shade Nectar blush. Okay, so dia matte blusher, matte, completely matte new blusher, and dia macam colour dia macam peachy coral. As you guys can see, even though dia small, dia punya pigmentation is good. Yes, dia punya blusher memang best. So last thing yang I rasa macam tak sabar gila nak tunjuk kat korang is my lipstick collection, lip matte collection daripada Silkygirl. This is my lipstick collection daripada Silkygirl. I suka gila lip matte ataupun matte junkie daripada Silkygirl ni, because it's small, pigmentation cantik, very opaque. Sekali swipe je dah boleh completely cover my lips. Kita dah habis dah. Kita dah buat review, kita dah buat tutorial. So hopefully korang suka video ni. Hit the thumbs up untuk video ni. Kalau korang suka, don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you haven't, and don't forget to hit the notification bell also, so whenever I upload a video you will be notified. See you guys in my next video. Bye bye.